Guys, welcome to ybfx Academy. This is 22nd of October. Um, it is 2:50, and I'm going to teach you about pullbacks and retracements. We will make a live analysis on this market. Okay, it is a live market. So with the pullback and retracement, it is found in the trending market. Trending market is a market that is having a direction. It's moving in one direction. Okay, so you see this one is moving one direction, and this one too is moving one direction. It's going up. Let's try to do them. So the pullback and retracement, this system as a retracement. So this is a retracement, this is a pullback, this is a retracement, this is a pullback, retracement, this is a pullback. So as you can see, market from lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Pullback retracement when the market makes a lower low in a downtrend, when markets make a lower low, you then mark the lower low with the rectangle and you wait for a pullback. Okay, so when market makes a pullback to the rectangle or the indication, you look for confirmation and then short on the market, putting your take profit few pips above the previous lower low here. The same thing applies to here. You mark, you indicate this lower low here. If a price to make a pullback, then short on this market. Same thing applies to the uptrend, making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So when market makes a higher high, then mark the higher high, waiting for market to make a pullback to this indication, and then by taking your take profit to few pips above the previous high over here. Same thing applies to this side to indicate it when market makes a pullback here, then take a buy order from here. You put your take profit few pips above this high. Okay, this is how to trade pullback and retracement. It's very simple. So let's move to the charts. The charts here, you can see that market makes this lower low over here. So I marked this lower low. Okay, so I waited for a pullback. Market make the pullback over here. Then I took, so after I got confirmation, okay, I took a sell, putting my take off a few pips above the lower low. So this was how I analyze this. Let's go to the current one. This is the current map. Look at this, retraces, makes a pullback, retraces. So you have to mark this. Sorry, you have to mark this lower low. Okay, which is our support over here of the markets. Mark our lower low over here, waiting for a pullback. No market retraces, so we waited for a pullback. We added the confirmation. With the confirmation, first confirmation, we're going to use the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so with the retracement, we extend from the high to the previous low, and we are using the 0.618 and the 0.7. No, 0.7 is around here. The 0.618, 0.5. Market retraces to our 0.618, 0.7 zone, which is our 70% zone, 60%, 70% zone, which indicates that we can buy. Okay, and with this, let me delete the Fibonacci, and we also use our EMA 21 EMA. No market crossed above the EMA, indicating that we can buy. That's also a second signal aside the pullback and retracements and the Fibonacci. And with the candlestick, you can see there's a doji here, long leg doji, which is an indecision. You can see a pin over here or inverted hand, okay, indicating that we can buy. So this is how to the trade. So with this, can go short on the markets. I've already taken this trade. Sorry, I've already taken this trade, and my entry was somewhere here. My stop loss was few pips above the this candle, and my take profit was here, somewhere here. Understand my take profits. Take profits. This was where That's how I analyze these markets. Thank you for watching ybfx. This is how we trade pullback and retracement. Very simple. With ybfx, I make trading very simple. So please subscribe and like my video and share to your friends to follow me. Thank you.